Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to create Slack workspace for Teams. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create Slack workspace for Teams, then all you gotta do is simply go to slack.com. Once you're in slack.com, then you need to simply get access to that particular website, and then you need to simply tap on get started. Now once you have tapped on get started, you need to simply create a new team or continue with your account. So you need to enter your work email to get a code and follow the prompts to your name. And once you have been to your name, you need to now give a particular name to your workspace as well. Now you need to set up your profile, invite your team members by email or link, and this will create your space for focused team communication and collaboration. So by following this simple and easy method, you can create Slack workspace for Teams. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.